Restores hair fibers' uniformity and solidity. Contains Glaciate Thermo-Seal to facilitate styling. Hydrating. Kerastase discipline Keratine Thermique. Reduces hair breakage. Tames frizzy hair and smooths flyaways. Protects against humidity. Heat protectant with 450 degrees Fahrenheit thermo-protection. How to use. Apply a quarter-size amount of Keratin Thermique blow-dry primer to towel-dried hair. Detangle with a comb, but do not rinse. Blow dry, then heat style as usual to achieve desired look. Safety information. For external use only. Indications. Ceramide 1000, inner restoration for maximum smoothness with movement. MORPHO-KERATINE, Amino Acids for fiber replenishment, Ceramide R for fiber fortification, tames frizz and protects against humidity. Top reviews from the United States. The best. I love Kerastase products. Not much needed to say, the brand speaks for itself. The price is worth it.